Is your keyboard hard to see sometimes, whether you are outdoors in bright light or need more contrast for better visibility? Samsung has a smart feature that can help. It's called high contrast keyboard and it's built right into the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let me show you how to turn it on and choose a style you like. First, while your phone is unlocked, head into setting. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility. Tap vision enhancement. Now tap on high contrast keyboard. Tap the switch to turn it on. Once it's on, you will see 4 different styles you can pick from. Black letters on yellow keypad, white letters on black keypad, yellow letters on black keypad, and white letters on blue keypad. Tap each one to preview how it looks. Now pick the one that is easiest for your eyes and the change will apply immediately to your Samsung keyboard. Given to the function, the high contrast keyboard is super helpful if you have low vision, use your phone a lot outdoor, or just prefer bold, easy to read text. It's another great feature that shows how the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is made for everyone, no matter your needs. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.